Hi.
Now it's recording.
Oh, okay. So we're waiting for our kayaks to get ready. We're waiting for everyone to get here. I'm really excited to see what's going to go on. Hit the water. You know, someone else. Go.
No, I think it's like.
We're waiting for our departure into the waters. And who knows what lurks for us, waiting for us down in the Newport Harbor. What terrorists lie ahead? Terrorists?
There's red, and there's some mustard, and I'm brown. I could give some mold support as a black is the mold. I'm a moldy. They can have hot dog.
Where's the buns? I don't see the buns.
Right.
Okay, gonna stop now.
Hey there.
You excited? You excited?
Line up.
Apparently we're gonna do a race right now. I don't know how I'm gonna videotape all of this while this is going on, but we'll see what happens. Move us forward, Anthony. No, the other Anthony. Not yet. Too bad you can't see us because I'm holding the camera. Now you can.
You guys should take a picture. You want a picture? Get it from me.
No. Jetson alone. Ruel, Danny, Sam, and Ellen are all the way. Vivi's over there. Wait, stop. Let's wait for everyone. Let's wait for everyone.
Paddle backwards, Jensen. Just stop.
We're waiting.
Can I flip you guys?
Waiting for Adam.
Can I? Struggling to paddle.
Awesome.
So here's Vince Malong paddling for two. While I just wait. What's the other guy's name? Keith? And well, Keith and Jansen's friend are over there. They're paddling backwards. I don't know where the others are. We're stranded.
No, we're not stranded. So much fun.
I can see he's having fun in the back.
Yeah. Oh dang, there's so much more space.
Yeah. So we're on a journey to explore new people. We will meet new people. But where are we going? You're heading right towards the land.
I'm fixing it.
Yeah. Okay, hold on. I gotta. So we crashed. We're now stranded.
Yeah. Sorry, got a bit stranded, but it's okay. It's raining. See the rain effect?
I don't know. I think it's too sunny to see. At least on the screen.
Keep going then.
Okay.
Begin.
Let me paddle again. I wonder if I could leave this on and just. Hello. No, you're gonna crash again, Vince. God damn it.
This time it's better.
Oh gosh.
Okay,
This happened. Look at the.
I got it.
This is why no one wants to row around us, Vince.
Nah. Joke's up now. Okay, we're good.
Okay.
Alright, ready?
The camera's on.
Okay, go.
It's just facing up towards the sky.
Go.
There they are.
Go away.
There's other people there.
We're close enough, we're almost close enough. We're
Oh,
close
God.
enough, go!
What the heck is that? What the heck? What is that? What the heck? Why do we come this way?
These people, they're attacking on both sides. There's a lot of carnage going on right now.
Here, let me hold the camera.
There's trying to find us.
Oh, we're getting out? Getting out? Okay. You're trying to jack my stuff. Look at Lauren, she's a thief. Look what she's doing.
Look, I got a... Oh wait, got stuck. Oh. Look, isn't this so not cool?
Boring, that's like from last year.
Man, these guys.
Looks nice.
It's called Cyclops League, right?
Dang. Nice. Oh man. Circumcised. It's nice. Okay.
No.
Let's see a better...
If you get bored, you can give it a good lick.
Let's give it some veins too right here. It's like,
I don't want to look at.
oh yeah, God, look at that.
Lick it or else.
Oh God,
Lick it. There's a vein. You put a vein in it.
whoa. It's throbbing.
Now put it in here.
Oh God.
Take the penis out.
Oh
Wait,
my
no,
god.
put your head straight. Okay, head.
Fix his head. Fix his head.
Wait,
Dip your head in the water.
it doesn't look like it.
Does it look like a dick?
No, it doesn't.
Okay, get out.
Alright, ready? Do it.
Get out.
Alright, do it. Get out now. Go. Go. What the? That's too easy.
He's a man.
Alright, okay. Go to the water. Hey, that's a lot of sand. Yeah. Let's go to the sand, guys. Or let's go to the water.
I
got it.
I can turn up. No, you need to dig on my back. And we're back.
Adam's getting claustrophobic.
I think they can't.
Oh, make a bigger hole. Just keep moving your legs. You got it.
No, I can't move it to the sides.
Wait, we need a bigger hole next to him so we can breathe his legs.
Well, there's his knee.
What? Where?
I think that's part of the
Now that's sand. They're touching the solid. Sand. Alright, get out. Go. Come on, Adam.
Rita's going to the water. Come on, Adam. Hurry up, Rita's going. You're missing Rita.
Oh God.
Oh God. Rita's top came off.
Hot girl in Puso.
Rita,
Puso, get real straight.
Yeah, I'll give you a shit. Oh, yeah. We need to channel into Adam. We need to fuse.
Okay, come on, citizens of the world. Give me power from the spirit.
Okay, now you're just being a girl. Come on. Now just be this. Dude, it looks like you're not wearing shorts. It's like we just found a person and he's naked.
And not like it's packed in, like my knees are jammed. I can't expand them anywhere.
Can you like, can you pull your knees in?
I think water would make it easier. Yeah, let's bury him and pack him. And then he'll drown.
Bring the water. Can you pull your knees in?
Oh God, high tide.
Awkward moment of flash dance right here.
We just need some motivation. Someone put a jellyfish in there.
Oh, you got it. Yeah.
Oh God.
Come on. It's just sand.
I know, Adam, look at me. I can move this.
Look how easy it is to move the sand. Come on, Adam. Bury him, quick!
Put it back inside. Jesus Christ.